All right, so this right here is a junk removal job. So I'm gonna show you what we're doing. We got this. We got all this. I'll show you back room. So normally what we do, anything that got a gas line, got refrigerator, nasty house, but this room. What's up? Oh yeah. All right, appreciate it. Yep. I'm gonna check, but I'll let them know. Cause I think I got the heavy duty ones. Gotcha. Yeah. So gotta empty this room. Rat turrets. This house got a hole in the roof, so it's definitely nasty. Mari, that's too heavy. I'm trying to show. You got this. Just get the stuff you carry real quick. I'm gonna do that. Ooh, this back here is horrible. I'm scared to go back here. But no. Got this. Damn, trees growing in the house. It's quite a bit. Yeah. So, yeah. No. That's trash. That one on the left? I was trying to separate the good stuff. Don't bother this corner. Huh? Cause you're gonna get it. Which right one? There. This is the one I just brought up. Yeah, that's gonna be trash. Here first. This was the one on the bed. Okay, push it up. Yeah, but we keeping this corner. You see what I'm saying? So I ain't trying to mix nothing up with that. Look, pull that out. Cause you're gonna end up throwing the wrong thing away. So all this trash. You see what I'm saying? All this trash. Yeah. Okay. All this trash. You put it right there. We'll probably put it on top, but yeah. You want to block it off? Use the block, pack it up and block it off, right? Yeah. Yeah. So we got a lot in here. That's it. Damn, what I did with my glove. Nasty. So yeah, this is junk removal. So this job right here, we got here at 9:20, and it is got here at 9:20. Dang. I'm looking for some heavy duty trash bags. Oh, so they cleared that off. It looked nice though. I don't see no trash bags. Dang it. Trash bags. I don't know. Hold on. Leave it closed. Ready? 1, 2. No. Hold this.
This how we do.
We're gonna get you on a workout.
Huh?
We're gonna start working out.
Y'all picking it up?
You breathing hard.
It's hot in there.
You ain't did nothing yet though.
It's hot in there.
Hold on, Martin. You gotta count it right. Hurry, let's get it.
Here we go. Got just coming in.
Oh, go down some. You gotta take that dolly off, Charlie. It's too tight right here. Go back in a little bit. 1, 2. All right, man. Let's sit it down. Sit it down right here. This door won't stay open? Oh, we need something to prop this door open. Grab one of them blocks or something.
What's the entertainment system?
Look, it's full of stuff. Get top on it? Like, a little bit more. Yep.
This is how we do it. In and out like clockwork. Y'all in this.
Yeah. You ready?
Here we go.
1, 2. 1, 2. Lean it back. Yep. See, sometimes the biggest thing, put it on me now. The biggest thing is when you're doing jobs like this, when you first starting out, you always underestimate how big the job is. And when you underestimate, you undercharge, you know?
Uh-huh.
So that's why I be asking y'all how long you think it's gonna take. You can't underestimate, because when you underestimate, you mess with the check, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So it's better to do what? Over. Yeah.
Hold on, back up.
1, 2.
Go.
That's great.
Go.
I'll go back some more.
Oh,
Oh, shit. I'll go back some more. All right, yeah.
gonna play a match up.
Yeah. All right,
That's how we do. I'm packing decent. Cool.
Now we're here at the dump. So just to give you an example, that type of move, that type of junk removal pays around $1,200 to do, and it normally takes about altogether 4 hours. So you see the truckload. So you just seen that junk removal job and how long it took. So that's a full truckload all the way to the top, and for that type of job you're looking around $1,250, and it was a mess, it was a lot, but that's the type of price you charge on that type of job. We was in and out. Didn't take us a couple hours, and now we unloaded. I don't even want to get back there. It's so much mess. But yeah, I might sit in the truck and wait. But see, the landfill is busy, and FYI, if anybody would like to straighten that truck up, my guy, invest in waste management, because every single person here is paying. Every single person here is paying. Hello. Get my hat. It's a fake university. FRIGU. I don't even know what it stands for, but basically like a fake university. Yes, I know. That drink was good. That drink was good. Get my gloves. That drink was good. And I'm tired. I'm tired, man. Right. Hey, what's going on with all this?
Top our truck. All the metal brothers in the way.
You telling me all this is metal?
Yeah. The radio right there. The stove thing right there.
So, as you can see, that job right there, we finished. It took us 2 hours to load it, and then another 30 minutes to an hour to unload it. Full, complete truckload, and that job paid out $1,250. So, junk removal, it was a nasty house. You got to pay for dump fees. I think my dump fee was $60, and that was on the high side, to be honest. It go by the weight. So I'm gonna start doing more videos like this. If you like these type of videos, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Peace.